We've got sunshine out there, and we've got a beautiful day if you're looking out from the inside. Unless you like it really cool, because it is cool, but check it out. It's beautiful. Just a few clouds drifting through, and we'll probably be able to scour some of those out of here later on today. That's the MaxTrack. See that little blip of moisture coming through? There were a few hours earlier this morning where we had some hints of wintry precipitation in addition to those rain showers that fired up late last evening and continued overnight. When I drove into work early this morning, the roads were still wet here in Lexington from some of the showers that went through. Now high pressure is building in and things are calming down. It is not calming down. Big nor'easter up through New England. They've had feet of snow, well, a foot of snow, a half a foot to a foot estimated snowfall inland there with heavier rain toward the coast. So still happens this time of the year. And of course, we had that hint of wintry precipitation this morning. The future track shows the cloud cover going by the wayside. And tonight, this is going to be interesting. Now, we're showing clouds building in from out west. Notice our eastern counties aren't seeing much in the way of cloud cover. The wind's going to start to pick up. It'll get a little breezy to even gusty by early tomorrow morning. And I think these two factors are going to help limit the potential for frost here because we'll have lows in the 30s. You can even see some isolated showers tomorrow through the day as the temperature warms, but we'll have a better chance for more widespread rain. And yes, it will be rain as we continue to warm up Wednesday night into Thursday. So expect more active weather. But once we get beyond that, we've got a fairly significant warm up on the way. Pollen count is way high thanks to the rain backing off. So we're at high levels today and tomorrow for oak, maple, and birch if you're an allergy sufferer. But there's still this chill in the air. It is in the mid 40s. So I was talking about that cloud cover and that wind. That's going to be important with tomorrow morning because for the second morning in a row, our eastern counties have freeze warnings and frost advisories out. Well, we don't here. And earlier this morning, we kind of had a ring around the viewing area. There's a chance to get down to around the low to mid 30s tonight and that patchy frost out east. But with that approaching cloud cover and the wind picking up, that'll help limit the potential for frost formation here. And I think we'll probably stay around the mid to upper 30s, but it'll be close. So if you're an outdoor gardener, if you've got stuff, in the ground or started in pots early season, of course, you want to take that under advisement. There is the warming trend. We've got a significant warm up coming from incredibly cool, well below average highs. Our average high today is 69, probably into the 80s, which we did do. We did break that 80-degree mark once at the end of last month. Here's that big, unusually cold pool of air that's in place. Here comes the warm up. You can see it. Above normal temperatures going into the weekend, those low 80s certainly above our normal high, which is upper 60s today. But there are signs out there in the next week. We're swinging back in the other direction. Another cold shot potentially coming in toward the middle to the end of next week. So those ups and downs continue. The good news, though, is we are timing the upswing with what's coming in for the upcoming weekend. That warmth. Not warm today. 54 degrees, partly to eventually mostly sunny. Mostly clear early on, but we'll see those clouds building in. The wind will start to pick up. You've got that freeze warning frost advisory out for our eastern counties. And then look what happens. Once that wind shifts, it'll get into an almost summery kind of pattern with this ridge of high pressure anchored to our southeast late in the week. We'll have those showers Wednesday night, Thursday. So a quick spring soaking there. And then the warmth just starts to build. Mid to upper 70s, probably topping out low 80s just in time for the weekend. We're going to try really hard to hold that shower and storm chance. Could be some strong storms there off until early next week.